Meaning of informatics.
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 Informatics. Informatics refers to the science of information processing and the design and use of computer systems for data management, analysis, and communication. It is an interdisciplinary field that draws on computer science, mathematics, statistics, and other related disciplines. Informatics plays a critical role in many areas, including healthcare, finance, education, and research. With the increasing importance of data and information in today's world, informatics has become an essential tool for organizations to enhance their operations, improve decision-making, and stay competitive in their respective industries.